Hello everyone, this is Mukti Bajaj, founder and director of Yellowbird School. How are you all? I hope you are doing great. Today I will talk about the situation after this lockdown, how we will lead our life after this lockdown. WHO and all the health experts have declared that this coronavirus is not going anywhere. It will stay with us for a long period of time. So what to do? How to fight with this virus? We have two options. One is we just have a fear when we go out that this virus will attack us, or just sit at home. Second option is just change our lifestyle and be fearless. So what option will you choose? I think you will choose the second option. We all know that we have spoiled our lifestyle to a great extent. We have no immunity, no power to fight these kind of viruses, and it is the need of an hour to have good health, to have immunity. So how we can improve our immunity? This is the question, and we have no other option. We have to take care of ourselves from now onwards. So how we will do? First and foremost, we need to focus on our food and food habits, and for this we need to focus on 4 aspects while eating. First is what to eat. What to eat means whatever in front of us we have to eat. No, we need to be thoughtful when we are eating food. It need to be healthy. It need to give us the benefit, all the benefits of food, all the nutrients, all the vitamins. So it is really important what to eat. We need to avoid junk food, unhealthy foods, and I can say you need to be old-fashioned this time. We have become so modernized. We have become so modern that our food is just one click away. If we click on our phone, we get the food, and what kind of food it is, we don't know. So need to be thoughtful, need to be old-fashioned. Ask your mother, grandmother what kind of lifestyle they used to have, and follow this kind of lifestyle, and definitely will bring change in our lifestyle, and we'll get all the things which is necessary to get the immunity, get the power. Second is when to eat. What we do? Whenever we get time, we eat. We give priority to our work. Just tell me, if we have money but no health, what we will do with this money? अभी कहते भी हैं जान है तो जहान है. अभी जान is our priority. Our health is priority. So focus on our health. Fix eating time. Eat at right time and make it a habit, make it a ritual. Third is how to eat. How we eat? While watching TV we eat, while talking we eat. When our kids are playing on phone, we feed them. Mothers feed them. This is wrong. We need to understand what we are having and how to eat that food. We need to chew that food. We need to have that smell of that food and what we are eating. If we see that food, only then we get to know what kind of food we are having. So when you eat, you need to think how to eat. Fourth is how much to eat. If we like the food, we eat too much. And if we don't like the food, we discard that food, or we eat very less food. It is wrong. We have to eat adequate quantity of food, not too much, not less. Only then our digestive system will work smoothly in a proper way, and only then we'll get all the benefit of food. So while eating, from now onward, just focus on 4 aspects: what to eat, how to eat, when to eat, and how much to eat. It is really important. The second thing which I feel is very important along with this good food habit is exercise. We need to exercise daily. Only then this good food will affect in a better way, will give the immunity and power. So whatever or which kind of exercise you like, yoga or a gym or walking, just make it a habit. Tell your kids it is very important for good health, and exercise daily and you see the change in you. But third, which I am going to tell you is really important, is the happiness and positive attitude. If you have a happiness, if you are happy, if you have a positive attitude, then you will fight with anything, I can say. And if you have a positive and happy mind, this food, this exercise will work for you, will give you real benefit. So stay happy, stay positive. This situation will definitely go away very soon. It will not going to stay forever. We know this. So we need to understand this and stay positive, stay happy. And apart from this, the government has declared all the rule and regulation, and we know this. After this lockdown, if we go out, we have to wear the mask, we use sanitizer, we have to wash hand in a regular basis, we keep social distancing, we do not go for social gathering, parties and etc. So if we follow all these steps and the tips and tricks, we definitely we can definitely defeat this coronavirus. And I just want to say, especially inculcate these habits in our kids, because they are future of India. So teach them well in advance, and we want to see the bright India, the young bright India. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive. Thank you.